and welcome to my channel again. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm installing radiators, central heating system in a loft room, and I'm using JG Speedfit pipe. I've used this stuff for years, touch wood, I've never had any problems with it. I'm happy to recommend it. I think it's a great product. But people have got some questions about it, so I'm just going to do a quick video, show you what I do, how I do it. The first thing to note is it's going to be coiled up, and obviously most people want a straight bit of pipe. So the first thing I would do is cut it. Don't cut it with a hacksaw. Don't cut it with a blunt saw. You need pipe cutters because you'll get a much cleaner cut. You don't want any burr in there or anything like that because you're going to get leaks. Buy yourself a pair of pipe cutters. They're so quick and easy. If you get adjustable ones like this, they'll do all different types of size of pipes, from your MDPE pipes outside to this type of pipe as well. Make sure you cut it square. You don't want to be cutting it at an angle because when you put the insert in, it's not going to fit properly. Again, you're going to get leaks. So just make sure it's square. We'll cut that roughly there. And now obviously I've got a bent piece of pipe which I don't want. Now I tend to just literally straighten it out. Normally over my beer belly, I will straighten it across just like this. I don't need it perfectly straight. I just want it a little bit straighter so it's a bit easier to work with, that's all. And pretty much straight away you can see that's straightening out. I'll probably do it again. Don't do it too hard, you don't want to bend the pipe. If you bend the pipe, you're going to have to reuse another bit. So you're just really straightening it out. That is straight enough for me, that's absolutely fine. This is 15mm pipe, it's a bit more difficult with 22mm pipe, but it will still work, same principle. Next thing you need to do is you want a pipe insert. I always use these ones with the rubber seal. I just think they're probably better than the normal plastic ones. Push it right home. Because I've cut that square, it's nice and tight up against it. Then you want to put your fitting on. I, at this point, want a T. You want to undo these nuts. So normally they'd be done up. Just undo it until you feel a bit of resistance. If you crank it all the way, that's going to come off, which is fine, just it's got inserts in there, remember which way they go back. So if you put a bit of pipe in, it's wrong, you can undo it and pull it all out and put it all back together again, but remember where the inserts are. For this purpose, we don't need to do that. All I'm doing is just loosening the nut, and that's fine. Remember how far it goes in the pipe, okay? So I normally put my fingers there, and I know that when I push it in, that is not it. That is going to leak. You need to, it normally pushes in once and stops, and then again. And I know it's gone right up to my thumb. I know that is in. Then tighten it up. That's done. And obviously you can do that for all other sides. Exactly the same. And it's just that principle. You can put copper straight into this. So as I say, I'm doing this for a central heating system. I will put that, let's say this is a 90, I'll put that under where I want my pipe coming up. And obviously this is all hidden under the floor. The bit of copper you're going to see above floor level, I'll just put copper straight into that and put my radiator valve on the end of it. You don't need a pipe insert when you're putting copper in. Like I say, I think it's a great product. Never had any issues with it as long as you use it properly. Cut it with the right thing, put the right insert in it, and make sure you do these up and they're pushed home, and you should have no problems. I hope that helps. Any questions, drop me a line, and I'll try and get back to you. Thanks very much. Cheers, bye.